walaupun ini tetap friendly, tapi mereka harus mempunyai winning mentality ya. Di setiap pertandingan mereka harus menunjukkan kerja keras mereka untuk memenangkan suatu pertandingan, itu yang paling penting.
Today is about, it's not about winning and losing, it's about seeing how players develop, isn't it? You know, this game isn't for points, it's about seeing who can do well.
Ini pertandingan Garuda Select terakhir di sini lawan tim Como Academy U17 rangkaian turnya Garuda Select, di mana selama di Italia mereka belum pernah terkalahkan, dan pertandingan terakhir mereka ini lawan Como U17 akan menjadi pertandingan yang sangat menarik tentunya. Dilema, tapi sih berharap Como bermain penuh semangat gitu kan. Jadi banyak pelajaran yang akan didapetin oleh Garuda Select ketika mereka belum terkalahkan sama di Itali. Mungkin kepercayaan diri mereka lagi bagus-bagusnya gitu kan, tapi harus tetap bisa dikontrol agar tidak overconfident. Ya, walaupun ini tetap friendly, tapi mereka harus mempunyai winning mentality ya. Artinya di setiap pertandingan mereka harus menunjukkan kerja keras mereka untuk memenangkan suatu pertandingan, itu yang paling penting. Pertandingan sudah dimulai, jadi kita saksikan bagaimana Garuda Select melawan Como Academy Under-17. Jadi menjadi pertandingan sangat menarik, harus kita dukung dua-duanya.
It's a beautiful goal, and Como have gone in front here against the Garuda Select.
Enough players here, oh, they all played yesterday. I said, I can't believe that. How many you've got in your squad? So these are coming on now.
It's not about winning the game.
No.
No.
Good to see you, eh?
You had a good game, man.
Second half, yeah. First half, I think they're scared, yeah, because they are bigger or a little older. Half time, I thought, don't be scared, just have a go. If you lose, you lose. Don't. What? Good to see you, though, eh? You take care, yeah. Good luck, best of luck, yeah. First half, I think it was a bit tentative. They were a little bit older, probably more physical, and we scared us a bit. So. You know, you've got to go into the game without fear. So, second half, we had to talk to them. Confidence, believe in yourself. And I thought we dominated the second half, so it was excellent. You know, we finished the tour on a high. The high is we played well second half.
Today is about, it's not about winning and losing, it's about seeing how players develop, isn't it? You know, this game isn't for points, it's about seeing who can do well.
Ya, Como salah satu akademi yang kuat, yang bagus juga ya. Mereka sama Inter, Milan, sama Monza sama aja permainannya, lebih ke taktik. Tapi tadi kita awal di babak pertama kurang bagus dan mereka bisa mengambil kesempatan itu dan bisa mencetak 2 gol di babak pertama. Dan di babak kedua kita lebih bekerja keras dan alhamdulillah kita bisa mencetak gol. Tapi tidak bisa merubah skor akhir dan kita kalah sama mereka.
Sì, è stata veramente un'emozione grande, era una bella squadra, era forte ma lo sapevamo già. Rincontrare poi tutti i mister, come il mister Cicconi con cui ho giocato 2 anni, poi il mister dei portieri e i vari mister. È sempre un'emozione bella rincontrare anche i compagni e abbiamo dato tutto ma non è bastato. Come abbiamo potuto vedere le ultime partite qui in Italia le abbiamo giocate molto bene, credo per tutti e pian piano credo che potremmo toglierci qualche sfizio.
Mi sono sentito dopo il gol bene. Di solito dopo l'allenamento alleno quasi sempre i tiri, i calci di punizione e sono riuscito a far gol e sono contento.
Allora, è stata una bella partita, come avete visto, mi sono trovato bene fin da subito, è stata una bella sensazione giocare contro Matteo Piombino, che lui gioca con me nel Como, e poi sono stato contento ovviamente quando abbiamo fatto i 2 gol, però Matteo rimane sempre un grandissimo portiere secondo me.
Well, I think they have to improve on everything. Even if they are good at something, there's always a way to improve and keep learning, to develop your attributes in football, your skills, your mentality, your discipline, your behaviors. I think you know, they are still at the beginning of their careers, of their lives in football and as a person. And the most important is to keep learning and be willing to progress always, because this humility is what will bring you to the top or not.
Jujur kalau melihat talenta yang ada di Indonesia, kita tidak pernah kekurangan talenta, tapi kembali lagi bahwa talenta saja tidak cukup, tapi harus disertai dengan satu kerja keras, kedua tentu mentality para pemain itu sendiri. Untuk main muda, satu harus punya mindset selalu pengen bermain di level yang lebih tinggi. Kemudian mereka harus memahami apa arti profesional dan bisa memanage dirinya sendiri, tidak cepat puas diri, selalu belajar, kerja keras, dan itu yang menjadi salah satu kelemahan pemain kita.